Last time we had seen the making of Puran Poli. If you haven't seen my Puran Poli video yet, I have linked it in the description box below. Today, we will make the accompaniment for the Puran Poli. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hobby Concepts. This is Raj. If you're new to this channel and would like to watch about tried and tasted recipes and tutorials on arts and crafts, mixed media, paper quilling and other related stuffs, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell icon so that you don't miss anything. We start with today's video right now. Today, let's make the accompaniment for the Puran Poli, that's the Katachi Amti. In a bowl, take lemon-sized tamarind, remove the seeds if any and slightly loosen it. Add little water to it and slightly squeeze it. To it, add a tablespoon of jaggery powder and keep it aside for some time. Let the jaggery get dissolved with the tamarind mixture. You can also keep the tamarind soaked overnight to extract maximum pulp from the tamarind. But I am going to grind the tamarind along with this water. So I have soaked it in little water just 20 minutes before the preparation. In a pan, dry roast the freshly grated coconut until it comes to a nice golden brown color. Usually it is the dry coconut, but I prefer using the fresh coconut. Now allow it to cool for a couple of minutes and take it into a grinder jar. Add the tamarind and jaggery mixture and grind it into a paste. Keep it aside. Now, in a pan add little oil. I am using the same pan in which I had roasted the coconut earlier. Let it get warm. To it, add bay leaves and reduce the flame to the lowest. Now add all the ingredients one after another in any order like clove and cinnamon powder, pepper powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder and mustard seeds and switch off the flame. Else these masalas or the spices will get discolored. Let the mustard seeds splatter. Now pour the lentil water to it and switch on the flame to low heat. Now add salt and red chili powder as this will give a nice color to the amti. I have added very little chili powder as my daughter Durva will not have it if it is very hot and spicy. However, you can also use less hot chilies like Kashmiri chili or degi mirch, etc. Now add the grinded paste to this mixture. Now add ghoda masala and asafoetida and give it a mix. Now increase the flame to medium heat and let this mixture get cooked well. When the mixture starts boiling, cover it with a lid and let it come to a rolling boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now remove the lid and check. Wow! My kitchen is fully filled with lovely aroma. Katachi Amti is runny or soup-like consistency. So, this is perfect. The spices and the coconut paste have got cooked very well. You can also see the oil is oozing out and floating. That is the tari or the cut. If it is cooked well, the oil starts oozing out. Usually it is visibly red in color because of the red chili powder and the dried coconut. Mine is a little light in color. As I always keep saying, you can increase or decrease the ingredients as per the taste of your family. Now, the Katachi Amti is ready to be served with our main dish, Puran Poli. It also tastes good with puri or idli and dosa, etc. It also can be mixed with cooked rice and it tastes yummy just to have it like a soup. I hope you will give this recipe a try. That's all for today from Hobby Concepts. If you liked it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and relatives. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. See you next time. Until then, live, love, relax, keep smiling and enjoy your life. Take care.